Hello there, good people. Hi, I'm Jason with Green Country Agroforestry. And you know, they say that March comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb. Well, it's March right now, and it's still roaring outside. So it's a bad day to be outside doing video with an open microphone. But indoors is perfectly fine to be doing things like this. I have got here a tray. Just my camera here. I've got right here a tray of seedlings I started just a few weeks ago. We have some mortgage lifter tomatoes, some yellow L Wonder large bell peppers. We've got some cayenne peppers that we saved from these, if you recall, not too long ago. And I was dehydrating my cayenne peppers. Well, these are from these cayenne peppers. We saved the seeds, we planted those. They're doing really well. And we've got on the end here some sweet basil, which I've been growing from a plant that volunteered itself about 5 years ago. And these grow really well as well. But you may notice something. When using these 72 cell propagators with the humidity dome on them, once the plants start to get a certain size, they start bumping the top of the dome, and they have that contact with that wet surface of the humidity dome, and you wind up with problems like mildew forming around your plants. And some of these are not doing too well. So there's two tips I'm going to share with you today. Let me go ahead and bring the camera in close. Okay, so first off, try not to let your seedlings hit the humidity dome. When they get to this particular height, just go ahead and take the dome off. Step 2, regards to mildew buildup. For example, right here, this is a yellow L Wonder that's getting mildewed. Even though it's first trying to come out of the soil and shed that seed coat, it's already having problems with mildew. So we take a mixture of water and just a teaspoon of baking soda. Give the plants a little mist with that. This will bump the pH of this soil planting mix. Well, it's not soil, it's seed starting mix up by just a tiny little bit, which should be enough to make it more difficult for fungi to grow. So high pH, bad on fungi. All right, moving on. Get this out of the way. Whenever you've got seeds started in a tray like this, the temptation might be to come along and thin by seizing the tip of the seedling and pulling it out like so. And you can do that, but is it the best way? Well, it's not exactly the best way to do it, because you run the risk of disturbing the roots of the other seedlings. So what we're going to do is take these tiny little scissors, and come in. Cayenne peppers. Yeah, these germinated really well, actually. Cut these off so I just have one per cell. Just one little cayenne pepper seedling per cell. There we go. Over here on the side. That and that. Actually, that one. All right, now here are the basil. Do the same thing here. Take out that one. Take out these two. These ones. And yeah, these are actually scissors for my surgical kit. Doing plant surgery. There we go. The basil sprouted a lot better than I thought they would. Probably shouldn't have dropped as many seeds per cell as I did. But that's all easy enough to take care of right now. There we go. There you go. Dun, 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 dun. Blah. Well, all right, good people, as you can see, I've got a lot more work left to do before I'm done thinning out these seedlings, but I will catch you next time.